Hello, good night. My name is Jorge Arreguin, and this time I brought you a simple object. It's a table, not too much to explain. It's a regular table. It's textures, dimensions, and let's work. Okay. Okay. What you can do with this table, I will try to be as fast as possible. Okay. You can change the size in one side. You can change size in another side. Okay, you can change the size here like any regular object, and you can change okay, you can change here the height, or you can change the height here. You can change the thickness of this to make this look different. You can move the support to different height to the bottom. You can move the legs maybe here closer, and you can add additional support. For example, I can close it and I can use another support, skirt support. I can move the support down, or I can move the support between the legs or inside, wherever you want it. Okay. I can change the radius here in the corner. Like you can see, I will change the resolution. It's very low. It's for fast work. I click 24. Okay. Like you can see, I don't need to open the menu to make all these changes. I can change the size of the leg. I can go move this, and I can do something like, let me move this up, and let me put this teeny, and I can move this. I will change the inclination of my legs. Okay, I can change the type of the legs. Here in the top I can put a glass. Of course, this could be a glass or could be another material, not exactly glass. Yeah, I can change the width of the border. Could be a rectangle or could be something like this. Okay, I can change the let me show you. I can add a small thickness, like something like this. And this could be flat, or this could be sorry, let me put 0, rounded. I can change the I can if you don't want it, let me move it. Okay, right over there. If you don't want this support, you can turn off. Oh, sorry. This low support. Okay, low support is off. Okay. You can move more the legs and move outside, or you can use round legs instead square legs. I can go here and say square cylinder. Yes. And of course, if you add the low support will be rounded for this kind. You can change the size of the support. It will adjust, or you can open it and it will adjust again. Let me go down. Okay. Let me see what another thing. Okay, let me show you this. I will turn off the support, and I will change. I have another legs, special legs. This is special. Why this is special? Let me show you why it's special. Because these legs start in small and finish bigger in the top, and these legs has, of course, the same button to put like this. Let me move inside the table right here. Okay, but I have an extra button exactly right here. This is for make a length, and I can change the direction. You see, let me eliminate this here. Okay, something like that. And when you are using this kind of legs, you can turn 45 degrees to the center. Let me do it. I will change the angle right here. Of course, could be any angle you want, but it's almost 45 that we use. Okay, I have another option. Let me show you. I will move it again, not too much, only like that. Yeah, and I will let me change this size. I will make something special. I can change this size to like a chair, 40 centimeters. Let me put down here like maybe like 50, like a small chair, and I will let me make it like this. Okay, I can use I have another option here like that, like I installed. It's switch to chair, so this add a back. You can change the size of the back, and you can change the dimension of it. Could be wider. Okay, and I have another button here. You can change the curve of this object. If you don't like it, you can let me do a change. You can change here and say, for example, let me change. Okay, I will use 2 arms here. Chair model 2, something like this. Okay, like you can see now, have an eye radius. I need to adjust. You only move it, and this is inside. You can move very close, or you can open it as much as you want. Okay, I will move it bigger, and now I will simulate. I will open the legs. Hi there, maybe bigger, and let maybe something like that. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, something like that. You can make an angle here. I put some where is, I'm sorry, I have too many options here. I can move that to, where is my angle? It's right here, and no, it's right here. I can't believe I made it, and I can find, it's here. Okay, sorry. I can put like 40 degrees. Now it's better, and I can change here this maybe teeny, and then I go back here, and I will move to maybe like 5 strips. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. I can, of course, a chair doesn't have a crystal here, so I need to change the crystal, and I will use maybe a textile. But not only that, I will change the thickness. Let me use 3 centimeters, and maybe we need around it, so we need to make let me put 0.2 centimeters, something like that. This is angle, so I need to remove the angle. I need to put 0. When you put 0, remember this, convert this in a round. Okay, perfect. And now I can adjust it back. It's not this one, sorry. too many hotspots. Okay, this is too big, so we can reduce it. Let's go to reduce this. This is one here. I need to make bigger this space because it's 0.1. Okay, it's almost the same. And angle 0 to 0.5 is better. Okay, I want to change. Maybe I need to let me see what I need to do. No, I don't. It's okay. For now, it's okay. This is 0. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now I need maybe reduce the size of this radio. It's okay. And of course you can change material to make looks like a different one. So you can have in the same object you can have the chair, and of course maybe this, and this will be wood, and I don't need it. 0. Oh, I need a data here. Very low data, but I need something. Okay, maybe like this. I will change. Maybe like 4 by 2. I need to check what is my thickness here. Okay, and then make the table. Let's make the table, just move the hotspots like 75, and like this is the table, this must be bigger, maybe something like this, and they need to be of course bigger too, like maybe 180. That's too big. Maybe here. Okay, and that's it. Of course I need maybe like it's too big, need the reinforcement here. Yeah, I got it. And that's it. It's very easy, very fast to use, and you have many combinations to make it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice night.